Mama wakwaba midi edi adwoa search him mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Honorable Kennedy akompreko e Japan ni supporters and omo kase no mo se omo kenya ne say omo njindi say honorable enim say Mary Anwakwabo Adu e campaign e wo ne platform so de ma honorable no anka ba this time honorable akeka na dwen anasa honorable nim e na wa yunani say Mary ye campaign and the sad dia and honorable mu sune o supporters say woni woni asem because abra wo yare ya ukoye surgery Maria Anwakwabo Adu na o ratio say wo bewu adofo men ka senche yentie ensem a supporters e de atuja na yensanso emba.
Those who cannot hear me, let me know. Hey, I say it's working now. Yo. Okay. Let's get more serious. Finally, now maybe lines natum na wa opese ofre no wafre. Said the makano, I'll come again. After we no me katechi so. The reason why in here I don't want to associate myself with the foolishness they are protruding, because these people cannot be trusted. They will change tomorrow when a little money is given to them. They are not loyal. Okay? They are not loyal. So I can't deal with them. Now, like I had said earlier on, just 2022, about a few months ago, Marie Buedu was then still Sebi Mahama. Utie was still Mahama. Marie Buedu was still Mahama. So what happened is the question I will ask. This is again Kennedy for my catch mama money now. It's about time Ghana for learn to choose selfless leaders who are honest like Ken. Oh. Hey, Marie, what up, daddy? What up, daddy? Kennedy Japan is immoral. Kennedy Japan is stupid. That man must be crazy in his mind. Kennedy Japan, Kennedy Japan, Kennedy Japan, Kennedy Japan. Kennedy is not sick in his mind no more, Marie. On says Kakasa. Marie, and Nadia Kennedy more damn. And that the ultimate campaign, my Kennedy more damn you. Papa we at that sebi o won paso. Ye ne surgery woniti. Now one captain smart no money your friend is Kevin Taylor. And the abetino social media and the three honorable accompany kwa Japan. Bomb by your cross a man and sorry bio on won cannon paso. Mo kind of for no munyimi. Can for no munyimi or kaka krama can intino munko jimina munko dia trainer mubehu. What bompire say ya papa surgery I said wo koye ni trimuno and say kura nanka wongu. Let us be real. Yeah, the area sebi yeah the area chobimpoa. Mo Ghana for now all of a sudden Mahama bebe ntino obi adwene Jimmy sesi obi ampese o dwene no sebi yare ye de siri obi na me papa yi obi a winim say honorable Ken has a lot of businesses na on that onam ha ntino definitely be take a toll on the man no kura de nyame ye yadom honorable Ken de ne de nyankopon ehu ahwe ne nnuma pa o ye so na ye yadom no ma ye hu ne ntem. Say let's help. Into no, he was able to get surgery quick, early. Oda empaswa origina yaresano. Na Kevin Taylor ni Marie Buedu express ya betna sabi social media say honorable Kennedy engu. Ma operation ni nyeye. Ene di nyame ama ye papa yengu. man any man was say, you don't focus, sweet, Mema mo. Onyame wa man wo, Marie, dear Mususuma, honorable Keno, Amma Kennedy, any man was say, Amma Kennedy and then why you think, and yes, I crack it. See, crady, Yamiam and Yan Sacras on some family, on the pradi in the idea. With Gina 2 on Piebo, on Susuya, now walk at the Coditia complex with Japan, and Danembra also 10 times. Na says Kana watching Eddie Free Kennedy Kennedy company, yeah, Kennedy need to just so you people know. Kennedy didn't pay that. I know who paid that money. That's why I'm saying this. Says Kana watching Enye Musio endi wechi wo massefo endi di wechi saa kopembra mo besua no koreka udie sam paye na oboye against honorable a complex we Japan no enda waje ne hu sika wudi no se sika no enye no me endi wechi endi wo machi ni wo mamachi until they learn to speak the truth. I thought you had gone to learn some things. I didn't know you are still shallow. And this is just part 1. I'll give you 3.
Adofo in some way, and Honorable Kennedy, a compare Kwe Japan, ne supporters, at the Atu. And Adofo Yen is honorable, Ayubia, NPP, or primacy on Babekwe, where unity, say, or contested as presidential candidates. Ama NPP ama yokona so timi win in 2024 abehia NDC ni do me you know which ye nim say o mampenda da John Dramani na oba no ma abehia na e was sense me ho o hwe radio stations foot soldiers no more efra na say serial callers no more friend bebre na e support honorable a omo HS ye ma no kwan na ye hwe do no so betimi aye because businessman dey he has a lot of ideas so betimi e dey aboa o man no na Maria Mwakwabo edun so eye mami bia ofi NPP mekwa NDC mkoye ne hu bia azizi also back to NPP na yebeka ya 2020 abra yeba beto aba na Maria ne hu basa yebeka ya enche bia honorable ekoye surgery ewo niti ene Kelvin Taylor no person papa ewu Maria Mwakwa so ka ho na ende Maria is back to NPP and honorable ne supporters HSS the Maria yina no you cannot just stand up say we back to NPP no be campaigner ma honorable Kennedy compare Kwe Japan e wa bra won kan hwe omo ya we so honorable enim hu bi omo ya we anka omo ngini so honorable no munim no ko betena ho sa ti ensem sen na Ghana for and as supporters omo support honorable Kennedy compare Kwe Japan and the art